Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you are gonna enjoy. So this is just a continuation, as you can see from the outfit. This is from the previous video. I woke up like very early just to clean my yard. Then now I am starting a new vlog. So welcome to the start of a new vlog. This is punchline and Nzwaki Madlingos. If you watch Nzwaki Madlingos, she will be saying welcome to the start of a new vlog. Yeah. So already I'm tired. It's currently 9:25. I woke up around 6 a.m. Then I cleaned the yard. I cleaned where my vegetable garden. Also, I'm just looking it over the window there. And also now I want to cook. I didn't even do my bed because I left people sleeping. I slept with my son because my daughter went to the grannies, so I left him here and I was so tired. I went and bought some Coca-Cola, which I thought I'll stop, take him, but the sun outside is so hot. We had a rain yesterday, and yeah, today is a sunny day. Then I'll do my bed, and I'm going to cook the food. The dog food is finished. Also, I'm going to cook for the dogs. That pot that you saw me cleaning, I'm preparing to cook for us and the dogs. Then I'll see when I go to work, how do I go about buying dog food. Yeah, Guraf guys, I'm always gonna say this November, Guraf in terms of finances. I did a lot of things. I saved something, but I don't even want to go and unsave. No, I would rather, I won't die. I won't die without that wors, without that chicken. With today retoja I'm cooking pap retoja tin beef. It's a Sunday. And then yesterday I cooked cabbage. We did pap and cabbage. Then Friday night it was pap and tin fish also. Like guys, it's not the end of the world. Things will go back to normal, but I won't unsave whatever I saved. Let it be saved there. It will come handy when it is really raining, when I really need the money. At this moment, I don't think I need that money. Whatever it is in the house, I am gonna make use of it. Vegetables, my vegetable rack is left with onions. The potatoes, I thought I'll do mashed potatoes, so I find my daughter made chips. And then the fruits is 1 banana and 2 apples. Then that's it. So I'm not gonna bother. Guys, we grew up not having luxury. If this, I call it luxury, but I grew up without these things. We were eating pap with potatoes, pap with cabbage. When I am saying this is better, it's when we're eating tin fish, sometimes chicken feet. Now I throw shem jajili one. It maybe once a month. Bread, we didn't do bread. We always cooking, guys. So this is not it will pass. Come next month, things will go back to normal. Yeah, guys, I hope you are gonna enjoy. Let me do my bed. This is the state that it is in. I'm not gonna remove the blanket. I'm a kinalita cold fever, so my bed is gonna remain with a blanket. I just need to wash it though.